Hey there, viewers! Do you ever look at the billboards and wonder how you can get that coveted hourglass figure? Chiseled shoulders, slim waist, and shapely curves. Almost every woman wants it. Before we discuss how to get an hourglass figure, you need to remember many examples you see online are photoshopped. That being said, it is possible to get a healthy, realistic version of the hourglass. You'll need to target your upper and lower body as well as waist with separate exercises. In today's video, we'll be talking about workouts that help you get an hourglass figure. Can squats help? Are fire hydrants effective? What about planks? We're talking all that and more. Upper body strength. An hourglass figure cannot be achieved without a strong upper body. Let's get started with wall presses and push-ups. Wall press. If you're suffering from chronic back pain or you lack upper body strength, don't fret. You can easily get started with wall push-ups. When traditional floor push-ups let us down, these certainly do the trick. It lies in maintaining the right body pressure while leaning against the wall. These are known as wall press. They help you build a foundation before moving on to more intense muscle-engaging workouts in the future. Wall presses tone your shoulder and pectoral muscles. If you're looking to tone the chicken wing area under your arms, wall push-ups are a great choice. The right way to do a wall press is to stand facing the wall at one arm's length distance. Your feet should be shoulder width apart. Place the palms of both your hands on the wall at shoulder height. Your palms should be at shoulder length apart. Lower yourself against the wall while slowly bending your elbows. Inhale and exhale in this position. Your chin should be touching the wall. Count to 4 and lift yourself back up slowly. Repeat 10 to 15 times. This constitutes one set of wall presses. Steadily increase the number of push-up sets and level by adding more intensity and variations. Push-ups. If you're one of those people who lead a sedentary life, there are high chances you lack upper body strength. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine might help you tone the muscles in your arm and shoulder area. Push-ups burn calories, build strength, and increase mental toughness. Not to mention the confidence it instills in you as your sets rise in number. After all, who doesn't envy push-up prowess? It's the ultimate sign of a strong body. To do a push-up, first place your hands firmly on the floor with a shoulder-width distance between them. For good stability, stack your joints together. Line your hands up firmly under the shoulder. Your elbows should also be under your shoulders. The next thing after getting your hands in the right position is to flex your stomach muscles. Your glutes should be squeezed together as well. Now push the floor away from your chest. The mental trick here is to think that you're pushing the floor down instead of trying to lift yourself up. Think about how you're working against the floor and not gravity. Bring yourself down slowly. Typically, a set consists of 10 to 15 reps of push-ups. As you grow stronger day by day, increase resistance to your workout. Include your friends in push-up challenges. This will help keep you high-spirited. You'll be motivated to push your limits every day. Are you enjoying this list so far? Well, the next point will surely surprise you. But before we continue, why not subscribe to our channel for more videos like this? And hit the bell icon so you're always up to date. Waist. Well, who doesn't want a slimmer waist? You can achieve it with discipline and exercises like these. Planks. Let me give it to you straight. Planks are indeed challenging, but they are super helpful in achieving a slimmer waistline, perfect abs, and increasing endurance. So the trade-off seems to be pretty convincing, right? The only key to reaping the rewards is maintaining the right form as long as you can. In short, just do it right and hold it. To perform a plank, get in the ready position with your face towards the floor. Place your hands under the shoulders. Your elbows should also be lined under. Your toes should be facing your knees. If you're doing it for the first time, keep your feet wider than hip distance apart. As you get into the routine, keep your feet closer for more challenge and resistance. Your body should be in a straight line from head to toe, and your gaze should be slightly in front of your face. Tighten your abs, glutes, and quads. Hold this position for 30 seconds, or as long as you can. Remember to breathe in and out. Start with small increments and then gradually move up. Initially, holding this position for even 30 seconds will feel like a huge challenge. But where there's a will, there's a way. Think about the awesome hourglass body you want. And remember, there's a woman with the world record of holding a plank for over 4 hours. Don't worry, you won't need to hold a plank for that long to get the best results. High Intensity Interval Training, HIIT. High Intensity Interval Training, or HIIT, is an incredibly effective way to work out. HIIT is a cardio session consisting of short bursts of hard exercises. These include intense aerobics followed by a recovery time of low-intensity drills or resistance training. The pattern is repeated for 20 to 30 minutes. Experts suggest HIIT workouts trim your belly fat more than any type of exercise. Research says they even keep your heart healthy. As a bonus, it may also help in reducing the severity of depression. Yoga. Tried a zillion diets? Scrolled through every workout video? Done with various gym routines? Maybe your calling is yoga. Yoga is a holistic approach aimed to calm your mind, cleanse your body, and soothe the soul. With the right poses, you can get that enviable waist, while enjoying each session with a cool head. Research has shown that within 12 weeks of regular yoga practice, 60 women with abdominal obesity lost around 1.5 inches from their waist. The best part? None of them embarked on a low-calorie diet. They ate a healthy, balanced diet with disciplined yoga routines throughout. So, what yoga poses can help you get a slimmer waist? You can begin with the triangle pose. For this, stand straight on your yoga mat with your spine aligned properly. Separate your feet as wide apart as you can. Turn your left foot by 90 degrees and right foot by 15. Inhale deeply and bend your body to the left. Bend downwards from the hip, making sure your feet don't move. Allow the right hand to go up in the air while the left hand nearly touches the ground. Now repeat this on the other side. Your first rep is complete. Another yoga pose you'll find helpful is an easy seated twist pose. Fold legs and get into the crossed legs position. Your back should be erect with the spine straight. Place your left palm on the floor near the left hip. Make sure your fingers point outward. Turn the body towards the left along with your neck. Your right hand should move towards the left knee. Exhale while you twist your torso and keep looking back. Maintain this position as long as you can. Slowly return to normal. More poses you can try are boat pose and reverse warrior. With time, you'll get greater flexibility. Before we move ahead with the next set of exercises, here's a video you might like. Watch it to learn more about DIY face masks that help keep you looking young. Glutes, thighs, and hips. Never miss working on strengthening the lower part of your body. You can do squats, fire hydrants, and lunges to get an enviable figure. Squats. Want perfect hips? Squats can give you that. It's a common exercise people do, yet most are doing it incorrectly. Squats engage multiple muscle groups, including the thighs, knees, and hips. Beginners should start with simple bodyweight squats first. With time, you can add weight in the form of dumbbells. Squats help increase flexibility and strengthen your muscles and bones. They also make your knees strong. To do squats, stand with your feet slightly wider than the distance between your hips. Your toes should point 5 to 20 degrees outwards. Pick a point on the wall in your line of sight. When you do a squat, look at this point the entire time and not the floor. Extend your arms straight so they are parallel to the ground. Your weight should be on the balls and heel of your feet. As you breathe deeply, send your hips backwards and bend your knees. Remember, your hips should go backwards first, with the knee bends following. Squat down with a focus on keeping your knees in line with the feet. Come back to the standing position after you've squatted down low enough that your hips are lower than your knees. Lunges. If you yearn for shapely toned legs, it's time to lunge. Lunges are quintessential to tone the muscles in your legs. To do lunges, stand straight with your shoulders relaxed back and chin up. Keep your core engaged. Extend your left leg forward. Lower your hips so that your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Your front knee should be directly above your ankle, while the other shouldn't touch the ground. Push back to the starting position. Repeat the exercise with the other leg. Start out with fewer reps in one set. With time, you can increase the number of reps in each set. Fire hydrants. Fire hydrants use body weight to work up your glutes and core. If you do fire hydrants regularly with discipline and correct posture, it can ease your back pain and sculpt your glutes. Start out by getting down on your hands and feet. Your shoulders should be in line with your hands, while your hips should be above your knees. Strengthen your core and lift your right leg away at an angle of 45 degrees. Your knees should be at 90. Lower your leg to the starting position. Repeat the same motions with the opposite. Did you find these tips helpful? Do you exercise regularly? Let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video, and enjoy.